Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi POCO M4 Pro 5G from the European distribution, and I'm going to check if this device comes with factory installed screen protection. So take a look on the screen, for example right here at the bottom. Let's get the focus. Okay, so right now we can spot right here the empty space between the case and this foil. So yeah, that's protection. That's very thin foil. You can also take a look right here on this front camera cutout. So this protection comes from the edge to the edge, and it covers almost 100% of the screen. There's a thin foil that protects our display versus scratches. If you want to improve protection, you can apply tempered glass. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.